So as I said, this is by no means a Scott, but these are the sorts of things that I produce on a weekly, monthly basis. This is a bit of pork belly that I cured. It's been sitting in the fridge for about 3 weeks, well before this stuff started. And only today it dawned on me, if I don't do this shortly, I'm going to lose it. So I put it in the Weber and smoked it, and that's bacon. These are beans that I picked today. Steamed, only take 4.5 minutes, bit of garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil. We can eat these cold for about a week, week and a half. So, you know, it's a way of preserving to some degree. You know, I picked grapes today. I've got about, I don't know, maybe 35, 40 kilos of grapes that I'm slowly starting to pick. So I'm going to share those with my family. But it's only one grapevine, and it takes a small amount of, you know, guys, I'm on a 500 square metre block. I don't own an acreage. It's not an orchard, or it's a small block of land that can be utilised wisely. You know, on the windowsill. Have a look at the size of this tomato, for God's sake. Mind you, the rest for a bit. Point, it hasn't been a good season, but I'm still doing okay with some tomatoes. And I haven't put in a massive amount of tomatoes, it's just a few plants. You know, I've got some lettuce that I'm currently washing and ready to add to a salad that we picked from the garden today. You know, sourdough bread. I made 2 loaves. I made a double dose of sourdough this morning or last night, and baked that in a Dutch oven. You know, in the back there, here we are. We've got some homegrown garlic. You know, this isn't rocket science, guys. Seriously. You know, our forefathers, their grandparents, were doing this a long, long time ago. We've become so disconnected from our food. It is nearly a disgrace. We need to get back to some form of basics. You know, the barter system, everyone sort of knew if you were run out of something, where to go get it, because, you know, Mrs. Jones down the road might have chooks. You know, someone might have flour, or whatever the case is. Anyway, I just thought I'd post this to give you an idea. So keep a watch on my website for future dates for these workshops. All the best. Stay safe. Please keep your family out of the way of these insensitive others. All the best. Bye.